How to customize widgets on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your App Store or your Play Store. App Store, and then go to photo widget here. Now here on your photo widget, choose this one. It looks like this, and then download it. Now once you're done downloading it or installing it, open the application and just wait for it to load. Now here on the bottom part, you'll see 4 different options, and here you will see the widget section where you can add photo as widget, your calendar, your time, battery, countdown, so on and so forth, the apps, text, and to-do list. And of course, you can add widget on your home screen, locks, and lock screen. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your home screen. Let's say you want to add a widget on your home screen. So here you will see a list here. And let's say you want to add a to-do list as widget here. And here you will see a crown here, right? That means it's a premium. So if you want to avail that, then you can buy it. But if you just want to have for free, there are a lot of free items here, or free stuffs, and they are actually really cute and really nice. So here, just scroll through that, and let's say you want to add this one. So it will look like this, and then tap on save if you're satisfied with that. Now here, tap on my widgets here, and of course you can already see your saved widget here. Now the next process is to actually add the widget. Now what you can do is to go here, long press this one, and it will shake like this, and of course tap on the plus icon on the upper left here and scroll all the way down up until you see the photo widget here. Look for photo widget, tap on photo widget, and of course choose the size of your widget that you want to add. So since it's a to-do list, so I just want it to be like this, the rectangular one, and tap on add widget, and now done. Now you can actually just read through the instruction here. Now to select an album, long press here and tap edit widget and set an album. So you have to long press that one and tap on edit widget here and tap on widget type. Now here you will see this one, the photo, the calendar, so on and so forth here. And then next is, since we added to-do list here, go to the to-do list and tap on select album. Now here you have to remember the name of the to-do list, right? So tap on seal birthday here and tap on choose refresh interval. So let's say every 5 minutes, and then tap on random, and then just set it here. Just wait for it to load, and as you can see here, you have successfully added the to-do list. Now to be able to edit your to-do list, is what you have to do is to just tap on that and just wait for it to load, and you will be redirected here to edit. So if you want to edit it, just delete that, or you want to check something here or add something, you can also do that. You can actually add a symbol here or emojis here, and then if you're done, tap on done on the upper right, and then the border size, so just want it to be thin like this, and then of course you can change your font size, and the color of the text. And if you're satisfied with that, tap on save, and if you go back, you have successfully customized your widgets on iPhone. And basically that's it. That's how you customize widgets on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.